The Cyclone Flail Mower by Orec is a walk-behind brush mower that utilizes the mulching power of 38 spinning flail blades. Unlike rotary mowers that will often leave weeds standing, the Cyclone's flail blades rotate in an upcut motion, catching the entire plant and mulching it up. The Cyclone's cutting width of 25.6 inches makes it an ideal size for maintaining trails, crop rows, and maneuvering around obstacle-filled terrain we all encounter daily. The cutting height is adjustable, allowing users to mow brush as low as 2 inches to as high as 4 inches. When it comes to managing large, overgrown areas full of vines, invasive species, tall grass, and saplings, your team needs to be equipped with the Cyclone to get the job done correctly using the least amount of labor.